Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Engineering Educators. I am Tuhin with you and I am discussing Wbpsc Assistant Engineer Mechanical previous year question paper. So previously I have discussed part 5 and today is part number 6. So before I going to start, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Engineering Educators. So let's start with question number 107. So in case of a knuckle joint, the pin is likely to fail in. So in case in knuckle joint, pin fail in double shear. So let's draw a knuckle joint schematic diagram. Let this is a pin. So due to these forces, here one failure occur and here other failure occur. So double shear occurs. Next question. Dry ice is a solidified form of carbon dioxide. It is used for CO2 used for refrigerant. Moving to question number 109. A low wet bulb temperature indicates. So low wet bulb temperature indicates very cool air and low humidity. So to understand this, I am going to draw a psychometry diagram, psychometry chart to help you understand this. So this is a psychometry chart. This line indicate dye bulb temperature. This line indicate wet bulb temperature, and this line indicate the specific humidity. So when wet bulb temperature is low, then dye bulb temperature will be also low, and when wet bulb temperature is low, humidity again low. So this is a proportional relationship. So linearly proportional. WBT linearly proportional with DBT. Okay. Now question number 110. The cup of a refrigerant, domestic refrigerator, as compared to that of an air conditioner is generally low. So cup of refrigerant is Q2 by Q1 minus Q2, where Q1 is lower heat, this is higher heat, lower heat. And in domestic refrigerant uses R12. An air conditioner refrigerant uses R113. Moving to next. The size of shaper generally specified by, so size of the shaper is generally specified by the stroke length. Usually maximum stroke length is 175 to 900 mm. So in case of shaper, maximum stroke length is 175 to 900 mm. Now question number 112. This is a grinding wheel specification. So we have to find the grid size. So here 48 is manufacturer catalog. A represent type of abrasive. Type of abrasive. Let's write this. So here A represent type of the abrasive, that is Al2O3, and 100 represent grain size. So here 100 represent grain size, that means grid size. H represent hardness, 8 represent structure, that means open or dense, and C represent bond, which type of bond, that means resin or vitrified, etc. So your correct answer is 100. Moving to next question. 113. In a turning tool designated as the side cutting edge angle is. So this is a ASA system. ASA, American Standard Association, and what will be the side cutting edge angle? So let's see which this stands for. So here 0 is back rake angle, 10 is side rake angle, 6 is a end relief angle, and again 6 is side relief angle, 8 is end cutting edge angle, and 75 is side cutting edge angle, 1 is nose radius. So correct answer will be 75, side cutting edge angle. So option number D. Question number 114. The component of the cutting force used to evaluate the cutting power consumption in a straight turning is. So tangential component is used to evaluate the cutting power consumption in a straight turning process. Moving to question number 115. In machining, Marchant circle diagram deals with. So Marchant circle diagram, this is a Marchant circle diagram. Marchant circle diagram, and Marchant circle diagram deals with cutting process. Here you can see that all are forces. Now question number 116. The diameter of the Marchant circle diagram represents. This is the diameter of the Marchant circle diagram, and this is represent the resultant cutting forces. FC is the resultant cutting force. So option number C will be the right answer. Moving to question number 117. Loam molds are used for. So here loam molds are used for very large type of casting. Next question. A gagger tool is used for to support hanging part of cope. So option number C will be the right answer. Next question. In which type of welding molten metal is poured for joining the metal? So thermite welding will be the right answer. In thermic welding, Fe plus aluminum oxide, Al2O3 used. and this is previously used for uh, railway track repair. Sorry, this will be Fe3O4 plus aluminum. I made mistake, please pardon me. And the temperature will be 3000 degrees Celsius in thermic welding. Now next question 120 120. In theory of metal cutting, the shear plane angle is the angle between. So shear plane angle is the angle between shear plane and the job surface. Here this is the shear angle and this is the angle between shear plane. This is shear plane and job surface. This is job surface. This is shear plane, job surface. Okay. Now moving to question number 121. Discontinuous or segmental chip are formed while machining of. So discontinuous chip form machining of brittle material. So here only cast iron is the brittle material. So during the machining of the cast iron, discontinuous chip will form. Moving to question number 122. In a tool life test, doubling the cutting speed reduce the tool life to 1/8 of the original, the Taylor's tool life index. So what do you know that? V to the power n equal to constant. So n we need to find. V1 by V2 equal to T2 by T1 to the power n. So cutting speed reduced to 1/8. So 1/8 equal to cutting speed reduced to, sorry, this will be 1/2 and tool life reduced to 1/8 of the original. That will be n. So correct answer is n equal to 1/3. So B. Move to question number 123. The drilling dynamometer measures. So drilling dynamometer, milling dynamometer, this is used for measuring cutting forces. Cutting forces including torque and axial force, radial force. That's it. Question number 1 to 4. ZZ method of cutting fluid application is done in. So ZZ method is very popular method in grinding. So this is suitable for grinding. Of course, question number 1 to 5. Tool material should be hard so that it can resist. So it can resist adhesion, abrasion, diffusion. So all of the above are correct. And adhesion is due to the sliding of the layer of the material. Sorry, abrasion is the sliding of the layer of the material. Adhesion is due to high temperature and pressure. A local welding form is called adhesion. And diffusion is atom in metallic crystal move from one place to another place, means lower concentration zone to higher concentration zone it moves. And due to abrasion and addition, flank wire formed, and abrasion and diffusion crater wire, flank wire crater wire formed. Next question, 126. In a steel plant, the product of blast furnace is pig iron. So from blast furnace, pig iron formed. Next question, which one does not fit in the rest of the following? Okay, so hot chisel, hot punch, and flatter, all related to forging. Only reamer is the odd one, because reamer is used to enlarge drilling hole. Next question, filler gauge is used to check thickness of a clearance. This is the filler gauge. Is used for check the thickness of clearance. Next question, a 20-ton press means pressure exerted by slide is 20 ton. Next question, if a piece of steel is reheated to temperature of 200 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius immediately after quenching, the process is known as tempering. So tempering used for the increasing the toughness. Going to next question, a core is used in molding is, so core is used to strengthen the mold. Sometimes is used to get gravity. So in my opinion, option A will be the right answer. Now question number 132. The range of the voltage in open circuit in arc welding is generally, so open circuit voltage is usually 40 to 90 volt, and open circuit voltage is the voltage which is required to generate the arc. Okay, to generate arc. Question number 133. In sand molding, the bottom flux is called, so this is a mold, so bottom flux is called drag, top is called cope, and this is previously I have mentioned that core is used for the strengthen the mold. Okay, next question, 134. Match plate pattern is used in machine molding. So match plate used where rapid production of small and accurate casting desired on large scale. That where match plate are required. On large scale production it is necessary. Next question, and today's last question is 135. Which of the following is not an angle measuring device? So this is angle measuring device, this is angle measuring device, this is also angle measuring, except angle iron. Angle iron used for to making frame, structure. Okay, so that's all for today, and next video I will discuss the rest of the questions. Thank you for watching.